Hi, with another example, how can we find the derivative of y prime x implicitly for x cosine x plus y minus y squared equal to it. Now here we have two functions, product rule. First function is x, second function is cosine x plus y. Now the derivative of the first one, derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of cosine x plus y, first of all we will derivative cosine x plus y. So the derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of y is y prime times the derivative of cosine. Derivative of cosine is negative sign, so I will put negative here, and sine x plus y. Now, so it will be the derivative of the first function time the second function, so it will be 1 times cosine x plus y, so it will be cosine x plus y plus the derivative of the second one times the first one, so it will be, we will remove, and because we have minus, so it will be x times 1 plus y prime sine x plus y minus the derivative of y squared is 2y y prime, and the derivative of 8 is 0. Now what we will do, we will use the distributive to make it, so it will be cosine x plus y minus x times 1, so it will be minus x times sine x plus 1, so it will be minus x sine x plus y minus x times y prime times sine x plus y, so it will be minus x sine x plus y y prime minus 2y prime equal 0. What we will do, we will remove this one to the other side, both of these to the left, to the right side. So it will be cosine x plus y minus x sine x plus y equal, it will be positive, so it will be x sine x plus y y prime plus 2y prime. I will take y prime as a common factor, so this side I will not do anything. So I will write it again. I will open brackets, write y prime outside. What we will have here, we will get x sine x plus y plus 2. To let y prime alone, so we will divide both sides by x sine x plus y plus 2. So it will be y prime, y prime equal cosine x plus y minus x sine x plus y divided by x sine x plus y plus 2. See you in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel. See you again.